today we're back for another product review. Today we're going to talk about Rebel Off-Road Blackout Kit. I got the bare bones kit. Today, let's talk about it. Bye. Alright, so we're going to talk about the three main things: quality, cost, and value about this product as well. We'll let you know, is it worth it? For me, this thing, off the bat, yes, it's worth it. There you go, there's the answer. Skip to the end of the video, exit out, you got the answer. If you want to know a little bit more facts or details about it, stay tuned. So we bought the Rebel Off-Road Blackout kits. It basically removes your rear windows and puts in this panel. I bought mine bare steel and then had it Line-X'd at a Line-X of Northern Kentucky here in Northern Kentucky. I had it Line-X black. We have Phoenix T3s mounted on it and roto packs. And let me grab the keys for you and I will show you that. You guys know how a roto pack works usually. I just have the locking ones. And mine are empty right now because it is summer in Kentucky and hot, and I don't want these things to balloon up. I'll just unscrew this roto packs. I redid that. Comes right off. That's what it looks like. It does not come with the roto packs mount or the lights, but it's super easy to install. It took maybe 10 minutes to install it overall. And then you've got your 2 gallons of gas on this side. There's also 2 gallons of gas on the other side. 4 gallons total. You can also use any other 2-gallon roto packs that you want to use for this and put it up here. I've used the storage, but the storage one got wet on me. But overall, that's it. Let's stick this back on here. Screw this down. I got people texting me. Not sure who that is. Okay, so now we're in the back of the Jeep. You can see that these mount pretty easily. Once the windows come out, which to take the windows out, I believe it was $100 to have it professionally uninstalled, and they kept the glass. They asked me if I wanted it, and I had no use for it. But to do this, it's pretty easy. There's 10 bolts on each, or 10 bolts on each side, and they come with a pinch seam. Pretty easy. You have to drill through the hardtop. Basically, you hold up the panels, mark it, drill it out, and then we use sealant. I didn't do a good job. But we sealed all the weather connections because I did not want these leaking at all. I've got enough leaks up front from taking the roof on and off. So that's that. Value, I think they were about 600 bucks. I've had them in for over a year now, or almost a year, right at about a year. And I've had no issues, no leaks, a little bit of sound. Sorry, a truck just went by and we're outside. So there's that. Cost, yep, so we did cost. Quality, these are beefy. I mean, they hold 2 gallons of gas on each side. It's no big deal. They're great, and they actually quiet down the cab a little bit, so that's an extra plus. Mine do with the Line-X at least. They've got multiple different options you can do. They've got some with lights, and there's all kinds of different options. I'll link them in the description below, or at least throw the link up there for you. There's also social media links and merch links. I don't have my t-shirt on, but there's merch links for Rescue Wrangler merch. Let's get back to this. I love them. I think they're great. They're an extra spot for stickers. If you're like me, there's stickers over there. Show them that side. Jeep Beach and Dive Rescue. Pretty cool. So these things are amazing. They do take a little bit of visibility away. You'll have to get used to that. But you know how Jeeps are. They're hard to see out of anyway unless the whole top's off. So get used to that. Value, I think they're pretty good cost. 600 bucks. You get both panels, so about $300 per side. And then Line-X, I think it was 50 or 60 bucks, something like that, for each side. Makes it 120, so 720-ish into it, and they look beefy. I try to buy stuff or get stuff for my Jeep that is different than anybody else. I don't like what everybody else has. That's why I don't run a certain couple brands. I feel like that's what everybody goes to, so we're gonna run something different. These things are amazing. If you guys want some storage or something different, this is the way to do it. I had mine Line-X black, as you saw. I think some red ones would be cool on here. but I'm not uninstalling these at this point. They're in for the long haul. What else should I say about it? I think they're good. I think they're pretty easy. Again, they're just super 10 volts on the outside through this pinch seam, and good to go. Pretty straightforward. We did have to drill through it right here for the wires, the lighting, and those are all quick disconnected too. So I've got a quick Deutsch connector here, if I can get to it. And then that's how the hardtop comes off. There's one running on each side of the hardtop. We'll plug this back up so I don't forget it. So that's that. We'll go back outside and go from there. Sorry, my Jeep's dirty. And that's not shut. So you can see just the little Allen head screws right here. Pretty simple. The worst part is just getting it pushed up here, the bare panel, figuring out which side's which. They're a little bit different. Putting the panel up there and marking it, and then we probably had it installed in less than an hour. So value's good, cost is good, quality is great. Let me know if you guys like this video as well. We will see you next time. This video should be coming out about the time we're in Myrtle Beach, so hopefully the video after this will be some beach shots. Unfortunately, I'm not taking this beast. We will be taking my mom's sweet Buick Enclave. Woohoo! So we'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching another video. Make sure you like, share, subscribe this video, or subscribe. I can't even talk today. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe to this channel. We've got product reviews and inspirational content for you guys, you viewers at home. Thank you, and we will see you guys next time. See you later.